Hello friends, welcome to Wanderlust channel. In the next few videos we are going to see some tourist attractions in Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi. In this video we are visiting Arichal Munai and Dhanushkodi, so let's get started. Rameswaram Island or Pamban Island is an island located between peninsular India and Sri Lanka on the Rama Setu archipelago. Dhanushkodi is an abandoned town at the southeastern tip of Pamban Island of the state of Tamil Nadu in India. It is southeast of Pamban and is about 24 kilometers west of Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. The main attractions of the beach are Rama Setu Viewpoint and the Adams Bridge, which was said to be constructed by the army of monkeys for Lord Rama, according to Hindu legend. Rama used his bows, Dhanush and Kodi, to break the bridge Rama Setu, hence the name. This bridge was used for his army to cross over to Lanka for the victorious war against Ravana. Once you reach Dhanushkodi where the ghost town locates, we need to travel 4 more kilometers to reach the Arichal Munai. We will go through the ghost town in the next video. There is sea on both sides of this road, and the travel through the road is an amazing experience. Earlier times until 2016, we need to rely on jeeps to reach this place, but now we can reach the place in our own vehicles, and the roads are good. The drive to this place is enjoyable as much as walking along the seashore. I tried few drone shots on the way. It is my first shoot with drone, so it will be very limited with any activities. We'll try to learn more to operate the drone and capture good shots. Many people say it is Bay of Bengal on left side and Indian Ocean on right side, but I don't think it is true as Indian Ocean starts below of Sri Lanka. Anyway, the sea on the left is very calm and quiet without much waves, but on the right it's very active with roaring waves. Now we have reached Arichal Munai. You can see the Ashoka pillar or Ashoka Stampa which is in the end of the road. National Highway 47 Kochi-Dhanushkodi Highway starts from here. This place is crowded even though I came on a weekday. In weekends it may even more busy, I think. color of the sea is just wow. We can see one natural wonder here, like the sea on the south side of the road will be very active or rough with waves, but on the north side will be calm like as a lake side. Now we are going to see the ghost town in Dhanushkodi. We will continue with that in the next video. Stay tuned. I will add links in the above cards, in description and in the end screen once it is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like button if you like the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next.